Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? Because God is always teaching us. So what we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll
Please, go ahead.
see you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? Because God is always teaching us. So what we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll forget talk.
What is it, associate?
See you after the
Well
show.
met. Most people can say...
Hello there, associate. You're here for a recommendation, I presume. Are you prepared to earn it?
I say just right.
I'm afraid I haven't had time to prepare anything conventional. I'm very preoccupied with this situation concerning Ardaline. Perhaps you can help with that, however. I can't directly get involved for fear of embarrassing the poor girl. I'll need you to have a little chat with Baron Vamori, and you can learn something about the power of illusion in the process.
Do not worry. Watch.
Don't say anything to her. I don't want to embarrass her further. Once this is all taken care of, I'll speak to her privately.
Yes, sir.
I take my duties as chapter head very seriously, unlike some guild mages. It infuriates me how casual some guild heads are about common civility.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy.
I don't understand it. Some ridiculous male thing, I suppose. He's been bothering Ardaline every day for a while now.
Do not worry.
He even stole her mage's staff.
Yes, master.
Perhaps he thinks it's amusing.
You may
I
not
don't know.
touch my
But
brandy.
it needs to stop.
Water boy.
It's making her
Yes, sir.
miserable.
I say just right. Just right.
It's
boy.
more
Big
symbolic
man.
than
I was
practical,
fooling.
but each carries great significance to
Do
its
not
owner.
worry.
You're
Watch.
going to get Ardaline's staff back.
Yes, master.
Take this charm
Me.
scroll. With
You
it,
may
you should
not
find
touch
Varon
my
more
brandy.
receptive
Water
to
boy.
questioning. Don't come back
Yes,
without
sir.
that staff.
I say just right.
Hi.
Make sure
I'm
Baron
Gerbert.
hands over that
Hey,
staff.
You know what? It's time to watch the show.
Be true.
But right after the show, you
My
know what we're
remote
gonna
knew...
Sir,
Hello,
I needed
friend.
that.
What can I do for you?
If you need help,
Old,
call on me. Sir,
worn,
I needed
and
that.
wicked.
You're welcome.
Wet,
If
wounded,
you need help,
and wild.
call on me. Sir,
Empty
I needed
as the
that.
eastern
Welcome.
horizon.
If you
Dusk
need help,
on the
call
Nibble.
on me. Sir,
Solemn
I needed
and
that.
bitter as the
Welcome.
grave.
If you need help, call on me.
I
Sir,
don't know what
I
to
needed
say.
that.
All I want is for her to care
If you
about
need
me,
help,
to feel the
call on
same
me.
way as I do
Sir,
about
I
her.
needed that.
But she
Welcome.
doesn't.
If
I
you need
try
help,
and I
call
try,
on me.
and it just
Sir,
doesn't
I
matter.
needed that.
It makes me
Welcome.
furious sometimes.
If you need help, call on me. Sir, I needed that.
All
Welcome.
right, I admit it.
If you
I
need
took
help,
it from her.
call on me.
I
Sir,
don't know
I
what I
needed
was
that.
thinking, honestly.
Welcome.
I was trying
you
to
need
tell her
help,
how I feel,
call on me.
again,
Sir,
and she
I needed
wouldn't
that.
even stop to talk to
Welcome.
me. I just got
If
so
you need help,
angry.
Call on me.
I
Sir,
was a little
I needed
ashamed
that.
afterwards,
You're welcome.
but I didn't know how to
If you need
apologize or
help,
give it back.
Call on me.
I wish
Sir,
I could.
I needed that. You're
I'm
welcome.
afraid I don't have it anymore,
If
you
you
see.
need help,
I
call on me.
I
Sir,
sold
I
it
needed
to a
that.
friend of mine,
Welcome.
Saurus Aranum.
If you need help, call on me. Sir,
He
I
lives
needed
in the
that.
Talos Plaza
Welcome.
district of the Imperial City.
If you need
He's
help,
the one who has
call on me.
Ardaline's staff
Sir,
now.
I needed that. You're welcome.
If I
If you
still
need
had
help,
it,
call on
I'd
me.
gladly
Sir,
give it back.
I needed
You'll
that.
have to talk to
Welcome.
Saurus Aranum if you want
If
it.
you need help, call on me.
Tell
Hi,
Ardaline I'm sorry.
Gerbert.
That one of
Hey,
the skin
you
grab
know what?
mages.
It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why?
You're a sneak.
Any luck
man.
talking with Baron
It's like
Vamori
rock
yet?
music.
It should be no trouble at all
man,
once you use that
it's
scroll.
like rock music. Oh man, it's like rock music.
Baron Vamori
Oh
should
man,
give it to you once
it's
you've
like
persuaded
rock
him.
music. Oh man, it's like rock
He's sold,
music.
huh? Well,
Oh man,
this just keeps
it's
getting
like
worse.
rock music. Oh
Very
man, it's like
I presume
rock
he gave you
music.
some
Oh
indication
man,
of where the staff
it's
is
like
now
rock
located.
music.
Take these
Oh
and
man,
go resolve
it's
the
like
situation.
rock music.
And of course,
man,
please
it's like
keep this just
rock
between
music.
us. Get that staff
I'm
back,
Gerbert.
associate.
Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? Because God is always teaching.
What do you need, Chess?
See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what?
What
it's
is
time
it,
to watch
Sarah?
the show.
If
But
you
right
need light
after the
armor,
show, you know
talk
what
to
we're gonna
Marrow
do?
Rufus at the best.
You were
Spyglass is
Martin's
great
friend,
when you're a
weren't you?
detective and looking for clues.
I don't know,
like
just
when
take a
Chaser
walk
and I
around,
look for
buy
clues
something.
when exhibits
Plenty
were
of stores.
disappearing from
Why'd
the
you come in the
museum.
first place?
Spyglass is great when you're a detective and
Look,
looking
I can't
for
just
clues.
give it to you.
Just like
I
when
paid
Chaser
good
and
money
I
for
look
it, after
clues
all.
When exhibits
I'll
were
tell you
disappearing
what,
from
you
the
give me at
museum.
least a portion of what I
Spyglass
paid.
is great
Say
when you're a
200
detective
gold,
and looking for
and
clues.
I'll give you the stuff.
Just like when Chaser and I look for
That's a
clues
good deal,
when
right?
exhibits were
I
disappearing
wouldn't offer
from
it
the
to anyone
museum.
else, just
Spyglass
you.
is great
So,
when you're a
what do you say?
detective and looking for clues. Just like when Chaser
I'll
and
just
I
take
look
the
for
money from
clues
you then.
when
And
exhibits
here's
were
your stuff.
disappearing from the
Now,
museum.
since our business is
Spyglass
concluded,
great
you
when
must
you're a
excuse me.
detective and
Good
looking
day.
for clues.
Hi,
You're in good
I'm
company,
Gerbert.
friend.
Hey,
Well-
you know what?
I'm ever sorry.
I barely touched anything.
Saurus
I'm
is
sure
my
that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go
My
completely
favorite thing
unnoticed.
is
That could be any
fresh
kid running a
slaughter
time
fish,
machine.
hot,
See?
fresh from
My
the
hair
docks
is
on the
completely
waterfront.
different.
Bye.
It's so good to meet you. Yulin Afra,
Could you
of the
take me
Krakenmore
upstairs
Islands.
right now?
Made my fortune in the Flynn trade.
Nancy
And now I'm
said
here
we
in the
must
city.
get the sunshine she needs. But it isn't a bright sunny day down where
I
we
don't
are.
miss Morrowind.
And I'm afraid
All
something
that sour
awful will happen
tribunal
to our
grumbling and old-fashioned
They say
ancestor
that you are
worship.
the
Good
greatest
riddance.
doctor in the world.
Hi,
Take care.
I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff. You know why? Because God is always teaching. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about
Do you have the mage's staff, associate?
Huckleberry speaking.
Ah, wonderful. I shall be most pleased to return this to its rightful owner. Thank you.
Said dog.
You
chase
needn't
your
tell
kitty
me
up
the
a tree.
details of what was involved in getting it. It's perhaps
Yo, don't
better
you fret
that
none,
I know
William.
nothing
I'll
about
get
it.
that cat down in a
Your
hurry.
actions for the guild
Fire
more
department
than
to the
merit a
rescue again.
recommendation. I shall send it to the university promptly.
Fire
And to thank you
department.
more personally,
Fireman
I shall teach you
Huckleberry
this
speaking.
spell. You may find it useful in certain circumstances.
All right.
Please, I'm in desperate
Well,
need
then,
of help.
I'm
and I
never too
think
busy
you're
for
the
good talk.